Smart homes were once considered to be far-off futuristic concepts, as depicted in films like the Disney Channel classic Smart House. The idea of a smart house was considered to be practical in 1999, when the movie was first aired, but it actually turned out to be somewhat, unsettling. We're fortunate enough to live in a technologically savvy age where smart home accessories are the norm 20 years later. Of course, that doesn't mean that everyone's already just jumped on board. In light of this, we've selected 11 of the top smart home accessories to add to your current collection of tech items, or to encourage you to finally dabble in it. You might wind up with a full cart and soon-to-be smart home. Who knows? So let's just get going. Stay till the end and don't forget to subscribe. The ideal option is a smart mirror with Bluetooth speakers. Additionally, you'll see that a smart mirror has a lot more functionality available than a typical mirror with lights. The smart network-connected smart mirror from Bonlo has a 110-volt touch sensor switch that is a 110-volt CE-certified LED display, dimmable LED illumination, full memory settings, and a Bluetooth speaker to connect to your phone. The 36-inch breadth of this mirror makes it perfect of a fit for regular 36 to 48-inch wide bathroom vanity, and it offers great lighting for applying makeup. A Bluetooth speaker that can connect to your phone, a touch sensor switch, an LED display, dimmable LED lights, and full memory settings. The mirror's 36-inch width is ideal for a typical use with a typical 36 to 48-inch wide bathroom vanity, and it provides excellent lighting for applying cosmetics. The speaker itself includes a suction cup on the back that allows it to stick to the shower wall and provide easy access. It's roughly 3.5 inches in diameter, and you don't have to reach down to adjust it or run the risk of tripping because you can just set it at an ideal height. There's a few control buttons too, including ones to start and pause the sound, as well as ones to fast forward and rewind. Because they're about the size of a dime, they're simple to handle even with the slippery, soapy fingers that you're going to have in the shower. It even has a built-in microphone so you can take calls on it. I don't know why you would want to do that in the shower, but whatever. Govee's Glide modular panels allow you to design your own custom animations or select from more than a dozen intricate ones. They might be assembled in a variety of configurations and shine in millions of various hues. Additionally intelligent, the Glide Hexa light panels might be programmed or managed with voice commands for Alexa and Google Assistant. The Nightlight Galaxy Projector provides a calming and hypnotic sleep environment that's ideal for people who have trouble falling asleep. It's got 14 customizable lighting effects, 19 white noise machine sounds, and Bluetooth connectivity. The Rosetta Nightlight Projector is perfect for individuals who want a little light while they sleep because it's kid-friendly and it really is calming. I can personally attest. This Nightlight Galaxy Projector provides calming and hypnotic sleep environments. And yet again, not to sound like a broken record, it's for people who have trouble falling asleep, generally. It's got 14 customizable lighting effects, 19 white noise sounds, and Bluetooth connectivity. Everything I just said, pretty much. Safely offers a variety of smart lock alternatives that might be installed with your door's present deadbolt if you don't want to worry too much about the installation of a new lock. Due to the fact that it doesn't require any modifications, this lock is ideal for people who live in rental apartments. It only takes a few minutes to install, and all you need to get started using it is a reliable Wi-Fi connection and an app on your smartphone. The door lock is quite user-friendly because it contains a keypad and a fingerprint scanner. In fact, for at least a year, you won't even need to change the lock's batteries. With a fingerprint-resistant coating over brushed stainless steel and touchless trash disposal for your house, the chic Mirage T motion sensor trash can is both hygienic and fashionable. The Mirage T rests flush against a wall or cabinet and provides hands-free operation for convenience. Only when you request it, the intelligent sensor opens. With the soft close feature engaged, the lid lowers, slowly and quietly. When necessary, a straightforward touch switch will keep the lid open a bit longer. With this lower external dimension and the ability to handle a full 13.2 grams of trash, this no-liner sensor can accomplish the same amount of work while taking up less space. A mid-level performer with a modest price tag is the AquaOasis Cool Mist Humidifier. It's a relatively low total operating cost for a small home device, and it's reasonably good at humidifying. We like the straightforward dial that allows you to adjust the humidity levels to different degrees of strength. However, we discovered that it's really challenging to clean and refill with water due to the device's form and small hole. That's a reasonably priced and cost-effective option, though, I will say. However, there are models with more performance at a comparable price, just saying. A smart indoor temperature and humidity gauge is the Govee Thermometer Hygrometer H5075. I said that on purpose like that. I totally meant to. Yeah. The relative humidity is expressed as a percentage, and the precise temperature will be shown in Celsius or Fahrenheit. The LCD display, which shows the maximum and minimum values for both humidity and temperature, has an unlit background. It lets you know when the humidity is considerably changing. For people experiencing symptoms of dry nose or bleeding, this is very crucial. It covers each toothbrush head with an inverted toothbrush cup, reducing contact with others. The color coding of the 3 different covers makes it easy to assign them different sets, siblings or parents. Mounting is also made simple with an adhesive strip, saving the valuable bathroom counter space. The strong ABS plastic used in the manufacturing of this toothbrush holder is BPA-free, an excellent quality, making it safe for children. A pleasant alternative to scraping caked-on water and mold off the bottom of cups are the vented holes on the bottom, which also air out each brush and make cleaning them easier. A tiny 2.7 by 2.7 by 1.2 inch camera and an even more diminutive 0.7 by 2.3 by 2.5 inch sync module hub that links to your home Wi-Fi network is included with the Blink outdoor system. The camera is black, has an IP65 weather-resistant rating, and is powered by 2 AA batteries with an expected lifespan of up to 2 years. Simply remove the covers and undo the screw on the camera's back to replace the batteries. For Android, Fire OS, and iOS smartphones, the Blink Outdoor makes use of the Blink Home Monitor mobile app. When it launches, there are panels for each installed camera on the home screen. Each panel features a button for taking a picture and another for starting a live broadcast, in addition to a still image of the camera's field of vision. By tilting your phone sideways, you might view the live broadcast in the full screen mode, and start in a two-way conversation by clicking the talk button. When motion detection is turned on, a motion icon and a settings button show in the upper right corner. And with that, the videos come to an end. Which products were your favorites? Let us know which one you intend to buy. Let us know in the comments section, or just shout really, really, really loud. If you enjoyed watching the video, then please like the video, share it with everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one, and yeah, later.